hammers and bells in my head. I'm still in bed, taking my time, drifting away. Well, I could stay all day. Another train passes through, makes me think of you. Where are you now? Where did you go? These bells are all I know. Why can't sleep at night for wanting you there? Why did you have to be so scared? Now I'm not feeling right, I'm under the stress. These ringing bells so hard to bear. Nailing my head with every beat, it will never cease. Nothing else for me to do. I can't believe that's true. Days seem like years, time is slow. I feel it ebb and flow. It's something I lost on the way. These bells are here to stay. Nobody tells of these drizzly spells that make hammers and bells seem so loud. And all that I get are these clothes that are wet from the drizzle and fret from my clouds.